This island doesn't follow the laws of physics, and scientists still can't explain why. It's been isolated for millions of years. Evolution took a sharp left turn here. Everything you see looks like it was plucked from a different planet. The trees bleed red sap. The flowers grow in impossible spirals. But if you think that's strange, look at the spotted lake in Canada. In the summer, the water evaporates, leaving behind giant, colorful polka dot pools. It smells faintly of sulfur and ancient minerals. Each circle is a concentrated soup of magnesium and calcium, shimmering in neon greens and yellows. It feels like walking on another world, a place where the landscape itself seems to be alive, shifting and breathing, constantly reminding us that this island doesn't.